Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be a cocktail that I know the ladies are going to love. You want to know why? It's called the Man Flu. We're going to start off this cocktail with 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 0.75 ounces of egg white, because your girl ain't cracking nothing. Don't be judgy. Shush, cameraman. 1/2 ounce of Orgeat, 1/2 ounce of Campari. Now, the original recipe for this one actually calls for cynar, but I don't have any, so Campari is the next closest ingredient that I have. Still going to have a good flavor to it. It is just going to be missing a little bit of some herbally flavor to it. 1/2 ounce of Apricot Liqueur. And then last but not least, 2 ounces of your favorite brand of gin. And then we are going to do a dry shake or a mime shake just to emulsify that egg.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
That thing almost took flight.
That's what happens when I shake. All right. After the mime shake, we're going to add ice to our smaller shaker tin. Then we're going to shake for another about 10 seconds just to emulsify, to chill down the cocktail.
To re-emulsify.
To re-emulsify and also to dilute it. This is going to go in a Collins glass. Now, you do have to be a little bit careful because my Collins glasses are a little bit thinner. So, we're going to do minimal ice. Boop. And then we are going to double strain. Look at the color. It's like baby bubble gum pink.
I don't think babies chew bubble gum.
Joke's on you, man.
No teeth.
Rah, rah, rah.
They gum the gum.
Exactly. All right. I'm going to let that kind of float up a little bit.
Percolate.
Percolate. We're going to let it percolate. So I do have a lemon peel here that I'm just going to give a little bit of a twist to. Give it a little.
What was that, a plane?
Give it a little pinch just to get it to try to hold its form a little bit better. All right. And into the cocktail we go. Woo!
Nope.
Stay. Bad lemon peel.
Do you need some glue?
I need some. Haha. There we go. All right, there we have the Man Flu. Of course, I'm going to taste it. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion and some of the tasting notes on it. I'm going to rate it as well. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail, move on to the next one. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we are today. Obviously, thanks to the lemon peel, it's very lemony. It's smelling anyway. Oh, interesting. Okay. This is definitely going to be more of a bitter forward cocktail, obviously thanks to the Campari. Even I think if we use cynar, it would still give that like herbally bitterness, just because that's also an Italian aperitif. The apricot is beautiful. It shines through right at the very beginning, but there is definitely a lot of that Campari bitterness to it. Definitely has that nice earthy herbal thing going on for it. I am actually kind of surprised I don't taste the Orgeat as much as I thought I would. It might be in there a little hidden, but I'm not getting it right at the forefront. Very good cocktail, and you get that nice frothy, foamy mouthfeel coming from the egg white. I like this cocktail a lot. It's definitely different. It's more unique than some of the other cocktails that I've made here thus far on the channel, but very delicious. I would probably have to give this one I gotta give this one a 3 out of 5. Again, very good cocktail. I really like it. It's very unique. It's different. I'm typically not a big like bitter person. I typically do lean a little bit more sweet, if you guys have figured that out or not. You obviously have been watching. I would definitely have a couple of these, but I'd have to move on after that. It's just one of those cocktails that I'm like, it's really good, but I'd probably hate myself a little bit more if I continued drinking it. So, like I said, for me, it's going to be a 3 out of 5. Very delicious cocktail. I hope you guys make it at home because ingredients are going to be listed down below. And let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I did do a little bit of swapping just with the Campari versus the Cynar. But to each their own. Maybe I'll make it again and I'll try Cynar and see what the difference is. But I hope you guys enjoy the cocktail. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.